Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was loud.
4, 5, 6. Alrighty, got you loud and clear, Charles.
Okay, park brake off. Powering up a tad.
Heckfield traffic, Sling 9954, taxiing 10, crossing 1836, Heckfield.
Park brake set.
Watch your head. You can do your thing.
Are we going to go all the way or not?
Pardon?
Are we going to put this all the way?
No, I was going to hold it open.
Okay then. Knock yourself out.
Is there a problem with that?
Nah, it's just like your arm holding that up.
Oh, you want it out of the way of the camera?
No.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, well, why would you hold your arm up here?
It's comfortable.
Okay.
Have you seen those guys on motorbikes and they hold their arms up here on the handlebars?
It would be the most uncomfortable thing ever.
It's actually surprisingly not bad.
Okay. Wait, where are we up to?
I don't know, you're the pilot.
Understood.
I'm going go get in the caravan. We can go look at flying a caravan with a reverse pitch prop.
Oh, like a plane caravan?
Yeah, plane caravan. No, caravan. We'll go down the caravan park and have a look at the reverse pitch props down there. Cool, mate.
Okay. Are we good here or?
You can do the final items. You could have at least cleaned the windscreen with all the time you had on your head. Like, literally, you've been cleaning aeroplanes all day and you didn't clean the windscreen. Unbelievable.
I didn't clean this plane.
Yeah, no, but you could have at least cleaned the windscreen. Or is that my job? That wasn't me, that was the wind.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
You looked at me like, don't do that again.
Okay, flap set to 1. You buck it up, yeah. Alright, I gotta check.
Pardon?
I gotta check as the pilot in command that you're buckled up, you know?
I am buckled up.
Secure. Yeah.
I'm buckled up. I have to be. Engine start to engine stop.
Auxiliary pump now on land strobe nav. Land taxi off strobe nav is on. Cool. Do you want me to make the call? Heckfield traffic Sling 9944.
I don't know how to.
Okay, so you want me to make it?
I'd love you to make the call. Thanks.
Is that the right one? Heckfield traffic Sling 9954, entering and lining up 10 circuits Heckfield.
Cool. A little bit of aileron into wind.
Yeah.
So right aileron, good.
Yep.
And when you're ready, full power.
Yep.
And we know that we want to get the nose back.
Here we go, 45 knots.
45 knots, yep, good. So point the stick back when you see about 45. And just let the aeroplane fly when it's ready. Let's start going. We don't want to be sitting on the runway for too long. Right rudder as you add power. Not too much.
Wow.
Easy does it. Coming to the left a little bit more. Good man. Airspeed's alive, T's and P's are green. Pulling back on the stick now.
Well, hey.
Easy, my controls.
What's wrong with
I've got it. That threw you a bit, didn't it?
Did. That's just because of the wind, or?
Oh, it's huge, yeah.
When we went over that cane field,
You got the wind as soon as you got above the cane, correct?
Yeah, okay.
Just didn't quite anticipate for it. Up. And back to your controls. It should be relatively smooth for you now.
No.
Hey, it's good YouTube content.
Yeah, I was trying to fly a little light plane in like 45 kilometer winds. Okay, clear right, clear center, clear left, rolling left, 15 degrees.
Easy, light on the controls.
Trimming up a bit.
It'll be interesting to see when the wind data loads, what the wind data is estimating the wind at.
Okay, still climbing.
26 knots apparently, that's not bad.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's nearly 50 k's an hour.
Alright, I wasn't far off. Okay, still 1,000, leveling off. Trimming down, power back 5,000 RPM. Clear right, clear center, clear left, and rolling left. Runway.
Pardon?
Oh, I was just finding the runway.
Yeah, helpful.
Yeah, always good to know that is, eh? Okay, leveling off. Starting on Starting on bumpfish, brake, park brake off, brake serve.
What about the engine
I'm going way too fast.
Yeah, cool. Cool.
Brakes, undercarriage, magnetos, yep. P stands for auxiliary pump. Fuel contents are sufficient, instruments are all set, and then in the green, good. S switches on as required, all the circuit breakers are in, latch and harness. Okay, where we are, we're a bit too far, so power back to 3000 immediately. Flap set to...
Oh, easy.
No, not yet.
Did you put him down? I can't see because your hand's covering, but did you put him down?
No.
Okay.
Flap set to 1. Rolling left, 15 degrees.
Bit slow.
Power up a bit.
Hold the nose. You're going to need to drag it in with a lot of power because we're so far away, okay?
Okay.
Make your radio call.
Heckfield traffic, Sling 9954, turning base 10, touch and go, Heckfield.
Southport, CTAP.
So instead of getting super low here, my controls.
Heckfield traffic, Papa Archer Bravo India.
We just add a bit of power.
Miles to the northwest of the field, 1500, shortly on flight 3500, tracking for Kieran Cove, Heckfield traffic.
And we'll just let it sit at that for a while, just drag itself in with power. Of course, if we had an engine failure right now, we would not make it back to the field. Long way away. But we'll work on that throughout the lesson.
So when I get over the cane field, do I need to use aileron or rudder to combat the wind?
Rudder. Yep, try and keep the ailerons as neutral as possible. However, of course, aileron is a great tool as well. We'll see how you go, your controls. Flap 2. Just try and keep it as stable as possible, so come on to a 500-foot final, line up with the runway. I'm only getting you half the way there, you've got to do the rest of the work now, okay? And try and be on final above 500 feet.
Okay.
Otherwise you're not doing it properly. So is that your established final now? Cool, 500 feet, that'll do.
500.
And down we go. Easy with that power setting, you're going to need to reduce it to about 3000 or less. As you can see, we're quite fast, aren't we? I just need you to relax on the aileron inputs a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Add a little bit of power and lower the nose. Lower the nose, add power. Got quite a lot of crosswind from the south.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see the aircraft's nose naturally points into that direction as well. When you're touching down, you want the right wheel to touch down first, if you can. No big deal if we can't get it today. Let's have a look at that, okay? So my controls. You're not feeling too confident after the takeoff, hey? Is that true? Not too bad.
I don't know, is this even flyable?
Yeah, it's flyable.
Touchdown.
Going around. Technically we did get a touch, but it's not worth trying to force it on just for the sake of a touch and go session. Positive rate, flap up.
Range at feet.
Up. There you go, there's one for your YouTube channel, instructor goes around. Kind of. We did do a touch and go, but I just didn't want to force it on the ground. The next demonstrated crosswind is 15 knots. Clear right, clear centre, clear left. Rolling left, and your controls?
My control.
I think the most wind I've had one in, I think on this wind indicator I've seen 50 knots once. Which gives you an indication of the type of day it was. It was pretty nasty. Much worse than this, but You've got to like work out if it's worth continuing your lesson. So we'll see how you go on the next couple. And if it's not working, then I mean it's not the end of the world because you still get practice up in the circuit format, and it's good practice for go-arounds anyway. But if you're really disheartened about it, we can call it off. But it's good practice regardless.
1,000, clear right, clear centre, clear left, rolling left, power back, 5,000.
Never in your wildest dreams as a private hire would I recommend coming out and trying to fly in conditions like this, lower the nose.
No way. Rolling, level.
Pump fish.
Brakes, pressure, brakes are off, undercarriage is fixed. Chokes in. Auxiliary pump on, fuel contents. Did any switching yet?
I don't think so. We're only up to circuit 3, so I highly doubt it. Probably the next 1 or 2. Definitely not yet.
Instruments on the green and switches on the side. Latch secure, harness secure. And power back 3,000.
Start turning now. Clear right, centre and left. Now select flap 1. Power to idle. Make your radio call.
Heckville traffic, Sling 9954, entering base, touch and go, 10.
Okay.
I butchered that.
I'm not going to change it either because there's no one around, and you got the information out that we need. But I can see where your mind is at the moment. Wasn't on the radio call.
No. Heckville traffic, Sling 9954.
Bit more power, mate.
Sorry, my nose is up as well, sorry.
That's okay. No need to apologise. Don't apologise.
Okay, I need to get a bit higher though, eh?
Okay, I don't know. You're the pilot.
Let's see a bit more power though.
Okay.
I'm higher.
I don't know what that means.
Okay.
Quality instructing.
Be quiet, guys.
Gave the camera a thumbs up.
Yeah, okay.
Cool, power to idle.
Okay, power back. Oh yeah, well,
Power to idle.
How do you know what to do?
Flap 2. I got a rough idea. I watched a lot of YouTube videos.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
You're like one of those,
I fly in the simulator a lot too.
Yeah, those people really know how to fly. Oh, I hate to say, I cannot get this in.
Lower the nose. Lower the nose. Lower the nose.
Everything is going wrong.
It's okay. Lower the nose. Just listen to what I'm saying. Add some more power.
Okay, armchair pilot.
Yep.
Well, hey, look
Keep
at
the
that.
nose low.
I mean, that's gusting me like...
It's okay.
No,
it's okay. If you're not comfortable, we'll go around.
Okay, well...
I want you to get closer though.
Power back to idle.
Hold it like that. Keep coming in towards the piano keys. As you come over the piano keys, move your eyes to the end of the runway. It's a little bit over you, so I'm going to add my control inputs in now. I'm on the stick.
Okay, cool.
Easy on the controls, mate.
Upset to 1.
Okay, off the stick. Way out of trim.
Okay.
Let me just fix that for you. Full power. Away we go. No wonder you're struggling so much. Wow, that's a lot of shear. You want to call it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
Okay.
Up.
Thank you, but...
You're welcome.
Nah.
That was worth a try.
Like, I do want to do it.
It's definitely getting worse.
The wind.
I think so. It's getting worse throughout the day. Look.
I do want to practice my crosswind, but probably not yet.
I don't think so. Not yet. It's a bit ahead of you yet.
Yeah.
It's not so much crosswind either, mate. It's just purely wind shear.
Yeah.